Ahmedabad is set to host the centenary Commonwealth Games in India in 2030. India's bid to host the Commonwealth Games in 2030 has been accepted. The Executive Board of the Commonwealth Sports confirms that it will recommend Ahmedabad, India, as the proposed host city for the 2030 centenary Commonwealth Games. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has taken to social media platform X to post a message and say, and I quote, "A day of immense joy and pride for India. Heartiest congratulations to every citizen of India on the Commonwealth Association's approval of India's bid to host the Commonwealth Games 2030 in Ahmedabad." It's a grand endorsement of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's relentless effort to place India on the world sports map, raising world-class infrastructure and raising a nationwide pool of sports talent. Modi ji has made India a marvel of a sports destination. This is a very important step. 2030, the Commonwealth Games will be held in India and in Ahmedabad. That's the big headlines. I want to quickly cut across to Piyush Mishra for more on this, who joins us with the latest. Piyush, give us details. India had campaigned very hard, had a very strong case for Commonwealth Games, the centenary games to be held in Ahmedabad, and this actually is a very major stepping stone for the Olympic Games in India.
Well, also at the same time, Gaurav, it is going to be a proud moment for India, as India is going to host the centenary celebrations of Commonwealth Games. So remember that in September of 2025, there was a cabinet meet which took place at PM Modi's residence. In that cabinet, it was decided that India is going to propose a bid to have the celebrations, to have these Commonwealth Games here in India. After that, the sports minister of the state of Gujarat, Harsh Sanghvi, along with Olympic India Association President PT Usha, they had gone to London. They had presented a bid before the evaluation committee of Commonwealth Sports to let Ahmedabad host the Commonwealth Games. And after the thorough scrutiny, looking into the infrastructure development, governance, technical deliveries, and also the experience which the players will have, the committee, the evaluation committee has now finally given a go ahead. Now India is going to host Commonwealth Games centenary celebrations, and that will be held in Ahmedabad, and major part will take place there in Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad. The Executive Board of Commonwealth Games has decided to hand over the bid, to hand over the entire process to India, to Ahmedabad, and this has taken place after thorough scrutiny. There were a lot of candidates, various countries, various cities had put forth their bid, yes, but Ahmedabad has won the bid, and that has happened after thorough scrutiny. Gaurav.
Piyush, give us details of the kind of preparations that are already in place in Ahmedabad and how they will now need to be scaled up from 2025 to 2030. You have 5 years, but a lot of effort has already been put in. Infrastructure, sporting infrastructure, and citywide infrastructure that's being put in place.
Well, absolutely, Gaurav, like you rightly mentioned that yes, the state and city will have to be totally decked up for the mega event, because a lot of sports are part of these Commonwealth Games. To hold these sports, one should have the capability, and yes, Ahmedabad has Narendra Modi Stadium, which can accommodate thousands and thousands of people, can hold such games, such sports, and that's why Ahmedabad has won the bid. And now we have the bid. We are going to host the Commonwealth Games centenary celebrations. The preparations will now begin. The primary preparations, the infrastructure thing which is required, the technical delivery which Ahmedabad can give, and also the kind of governance which it needs all the things are there in
Okay.
in place. And after looking into all these things itself, the Executive Board of Commonwealth Games has given a go ahead and has proposed Ahmedabad to be the host city of 2020 Commonwealth Games.
Keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more on this. Lots done, lots more needs to be done for India to emerge as that sporting superpower that we aspire to be. Remember, we've had Commonwealth Games in Delhi in 2010, now in Ahmedabad in 2030, en route to Olympics in 2036. That's the effort, that's the attempt